Morning, happy Wednesday. Yes, this is a very late start to the weekly vlog. For that, I do sincerely apologize. I've just been dealing with back pain and we've been really fucking busy. So it's been hard to, find the time to do my little acts of self-care, aka reading. And if you're like looking out my window and you're like, uh-oh, that looks like winter, you would be absolutely correct. We had a fucking blizzard yesterday. Well, they called it a snowstorm. The parking lot of Starbucks is a fucking nightmare. We had a snowstorm yesterday that started at about 7 a.m. Didn't stop snowing till overnight. It was bad. Driving home yesterday, don't recommend. Did not have a good time. I went 10 miles per hour the whole drive home. Luckily, Mr. Draco up in here, he is our boy, and he has snow-specific four-wheel drive that I turned on, and he was like, okay, I gotcha. So, luckily, it wasn't a disaster, but we are just having to be a little bit careful on the road this morning because not everything has been towed yet. Reading updates. I am on chapter 11 of House of Earth and Blood. I am 51% of the way through Ruthless Vows. And I do have like 3 other books I need to be starting this week at least. I normally read in the mornings, but recently because of my back, I haven't been able to do such a thing. Because I wasn't able to get into a comfortable position to read. Like every single time I sat down, it was painful still. So today though, I woke up and I was like, what is this? What is this miracle? Because despite the fact that I had been so incredibly sore and so incredibly like in pain, I don't have any sharpshooting sore pain right now, which is baffling, and I don't know how it happened. I'm grateful that it happened because it means I can actually like work through the day without having to take multiple breaks of sitting down. But was a little spooked this morning when I woke up, stood up, and I was like, wait a minute, what the heck? Because yesterday was really bad and I was really, really sore, and it felt like I was struggling to walk. So we will take what we can get. We're heading into work now. We're gonna manifest a good day. Okay? We are manifest destinying. I know that's not the right phrase. We are indeed manifesting a good day. Because I would love to have a 5-star day. We're gonna try to have a 5-star day. Because since the new year started, we have had nothing but hecticness. And today might be hectic, but I'm hoping that at least everyone shows up to work today and we can have a good day. So, happy Wednesday, happy new weekly vlog, happy new year, happy January. I hope your resolutions are coming along swimmingly, because we're still in the point before everyone gives up. So, anyways, I'm gonna go and focus on this nonsense that is driving in the winter. So I love you guys. I will check in with you after work. Today is Wednesday, January 10th. Fantasy High Dimension 20 season of Fantasy High junior year starts today. That's exciting. Okay, we have to go. Gotta get this show on the road. Love you. We're about to go get late night ice cream. And by late night, I mean it's 7:55 p.m. Let's go. Happy Sunday. We've just been living in blizzard hell. Today is the first day that I've even attempted to go out. I was like, oh, the roads should be better. Not the case. Not the case. Luckily, my boyfriend drove, so I didn't have to worry about it. Roads are not better. Fun fact. Roads are still bad. The blizzard ended supposedly like early Saturday morning. But because it's so cold, salt not doing shit. So yeah. We're living in hell. Fun times. Today, when we get home, I'm gonna unload the dishwasher, I'm gonna swap some laundry. I'm gonna do some planning. I've done no reading, none at all, because I just haven't felt like it. But instead, I've been watching The Crown. And I've watched the first 2 seasons completely, which is wild. I did that in 24 hours. Listen, binge watching is just my thing. We're also gonna play Lego Star Wars today at some point because it's our weekly date. And yeah, we ventured out to get coffee because I needed coffee. The roads are they're not good. They're certainly not good. It's kind of like driving on a big slab of ice. So, wish all of your people that get snow good luck this winter. So yeah, I've done no reading all week, which, granted, it is a goal of mine to read every single day, but I haven't been able to like focus enough on a book, which is fair. Oh, he's back. Hold on. We're about to head home, so talk to you there. freaking cold. It's -4. It feels like -21. Before I do my little drive to work, I just need to end this vlog. You will have just seen footage of me finishing Ruthless Vows, which ahead of that vlog coming out on Sunday this week, because I did have to push it back because I hadn't finished the book. It's a 5-star read, guys. It's a 5-star. It was beautiful. You saw me crying. Rebecca Ross just has a way with writing prose that is just unbelievably stunning and beautiful and perfect. But yeah, Ruthless Vows, 5 stars. Absolutely loved it. You'll hear more about my review in the Ruthless Vows reading vlog that's coming. I give more thorough updates. You will see a little bit more of me finishing the book. And yeah, it was just perfect. I'm sorry that this vlog is probably a little bit short. It's just been a very hectic week with being so busy at work, and then on top of it we had a snowstorm where we were all kind of just like stuck. So I do love you guys. I hopefully can do a longer weekly vlog this next week because yeah, we have to finish House of Earth and Blood this week. We also have to start on a couple of other projects. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below how your week was, how you're doing. If you had a snowstorm, are you in winter too? Let me know. And if you guys like this content, make sure to subscribe. I post a weekly vlog every single Wednesday with the occasional Sunday video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!